If you're here, you're probably looking to close your Stripe Express account, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step in just under 90 seconds. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Next, look for the settings option in the bottom left corner. Click on that to take you to the settings menu. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Account Settings or Business. Here, you'll find the option to manage your account. Click on Account Details. Within the Account Details, you'll see a button that says Close Account. Go ahead and click it. Stripe will ask you to confirm your decision. They might even prompt you for feedback on why you're closing your account. It's all part of their process to improve, but you can skip that if you want. Once you confirm, your Stripe Express account will be deactivated. Keep in mind, any pending transactions will be settled, but you won't be able to access your account afterward. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Stripe Express account.